Alright, so tonight we are doing our CanCooker dinner. A little bit of a variation this time. So I'm just going to go through the steps. We like to do just a quick coat of grease, oil, Pam in the bottom. Just helps that it's not sticking. Should work. And we've got corn and some garlic, kielbasa, cabbage, mushrooms, red potatoes, carrots. Did we get onion? We did get onion. Perfect. Our liquid tonight is Mountain Dew. You can do, we've done beer, we've done broth. Now there's lots of variations as your liquid. Salt, pepper, garlic salt. You can do Lawry's, you can do, I'm sure you can do any kind of like burger seasoning, steak seasoning, whatever seasoning you want to throw on your dinner. I'm just going to start layering it. Do a layer, little spice, layer, little spice, liquid at the end.
We put the CanCooker on the Camp Chef. We'll heat it up until it starts steaming out of here. Then we'll cook it on medium heat for 50 minutes and it should be all good, and then 10 minutes to cool down. So about an hour from now we should have a whole bunch of food.
The CanCooker has so many variations and it's become one of our favorite things to do. It's so easy, so quick. It's 5 to 10 minutes prep and you set it and forget it until it's ready. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and remember to enjoy your weekend.